Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, why not subscribe? I promise you it's the vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked and we're living us on period. My mouth is doing the two-step. That's because I just came back from the dentist and I'm still a little numbity numb. So welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's been a good 72 hours since your girl picked up the camera. I wanted to take a little break. Oh no, I was in my feelings, and I feel like sometimes social media can play a big part in how we feel, think, and how we compare. So sometimes you just gotta remove yourself. People, places, things, whatever the case may be, sometimes shit just be real draining. But your girl's back on the scene, crispy and clean. Today is Thursday. It is currently 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been out since like 8:30. Like I said, I had to drop the kids off and then I had a dentist appointment. But today I need to head over to the beauty supply store. I legit went to take a shower and I was looking for my conditioner because I usually cold wash when I take a shower. One bottle of conditioner in sight, no shampoo. I'm like, where are all my products? Y'all know I'm the hair guru, the product hair junkie, and my shelves is looking real bare. So first stop is going to be the beauty supply store. I actually booked an appointment for tomorrow. Your girl's going to get another protective style because this right here is just not cutting. I'm not too happy with the state of my hair right now, and it's all because I dyed it, trying to be a fast ass. I'm gonna try my best to keep it protected like all throughout the summer in hopes that this dye will officially grow out. The color's still on the ends, like the top is black, but you can see the color still on the ends, and that's not giving definition. So when I come back from the beauty supply store, I have to wash and shampoo, and then of course I gotta blow dry it, which I dread. But my mom's on her way, so we're gonna get Sandy B to blow the hair out. Quick intermission, y'all. Today's portion of the video is sponsored by Laifen, which is a high-speed hair dryer for all hair types. But this isn't just your ordinary blow dryer. Trust me, I've had my share with heating tools, but this one takes the cake, and I'll tell you why. This dryer has an ultra-fast 110,000 RPM brushless motor that saves 50% of your hair drying time. Not only that, it also reduces noise. Being that some dryers are super loud, it can be very annoying. And it reduces friction in the hair. With a powerful thermal sensor and microprocessor that prevents and protects the hair from any heat damage. Not only is this a fast drying device, but it's great for long, short, flat, or curly hair. So no matter your texture, its powerful effects can dry the hair in under 5 minutes. So who doesn't like the sound of that? It's designed for safety with its overheating protection, high density filler, and a fire-resistant frame for a risk-free use. One of the things that I really like about this dryer is that it's really lightweight. So it's portable and compact, so you don't have to worry about it being too heavy while drying, and you can take it on the go when traveling. Another cool feature about Laifen is the easy-to-use 3-color LED ring temperature mode. The blue is for cool, the yellow light is for warm, and of course the red indicates hot for fast drying. Also contains a magnetic nozzle, which I think is super duper cool. I love that it just snaps on. Very easy assembly, and it works great for curls and waves. This dryer comes in 3 different colors: white, black, and silver, which is the one that I am using. And like I said, if you are somebody who dreads blow drying your hair, you want to cut your blow drying time in half, this is what you need in your life. If you want to be able to blow dry your hair and still get that silky, healthy, frizz-free look, then you want to get this in your life. And lastly, if you want to be able to put heat on your hair without having any long-term damage to your hair, then I highly recommend you trying this blow dryer because it's safe, it's effective, cuts down the time, and it's super cute. So why not get your hands on it right now? If you're interested, I'll be sure to put all of the information down in the description below. With that being said, thank you Laifen for sponsoring this part of today's video. I have something else to do and I forgot. Oh, I also booked a full body massage for today, but I don't know if I want to go. I may push it back till tomorrow. But either way, it's getting done because I haven't got a full body in a minute and your girl needs it. I need to be touched on. I need to be loved on, and this single life is just not it. Girl was going strong for a good couple of months, but now I need some companionship, okay? It's cool. You know, you don't have to answer to nobody. You don't have to check in on nobody. You don't have to nothing, but you know, at the end of the day, we get lonely, okay? We get lonely, and you know, I need a little tune-up, if you know what I mean. It's overdue. The doctor cleared your girl. It's been 2 months since my surgery. It's go time for me, and I feel bad for whoever's my victim. I was thinking I should go get my lashes done. This is probably going to be like a maintenance vlog. But I noticed that when I did my lashes, my natural lashes started to look shorter. It was giving Asian vibes, so that's why I gave it a break. We might have to revisit it because, you know, I'm trying to get all of this together. I'm not going to get nobody's man if I'm in the house. It's about that time to step out of my comfort zone and live a little bit and stop being so corny, okay, and stop being so mommy-ish and worrying about so much. Somebody's son is waiting on me to take me out. I don't know where he's at, but I'm gonna be prepared so that when he does come, I'm all together. Usually I have an itinerary for the vlog, but today we just gonna wing it. We just gonna go with the flow because whatever happens, happens. But y'all, let me tell y'all, the last 2 days, my allergies have been on 1,000. Let me know if y'all been suffering too. It's been crazy. Not only have my allergies been going crazy, the baby's been suffering, the girl's been suffering. Luckily, I was able to get some Claritin and stuff, and it's been helping a little bit. But on top of my allergies, I had a migraine. The shit was so painful, I was legit about to go to an emergency room, which is something I never do. Migraines are no joke. If you know, you know. If you guys are excited to spend the day with your girl, hit this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and stop being stank. Y'all be watching and not subscribing. Like, that's fake love. I tried this. This is a really good brand as well. I'm actually looking for the As I Am, the bars, but they're sold out. Definitely should get some of this. This Afro-G is really good for protein. Okay, Cantu, what's this? What you know about this one? This is different. Miracle Detox. I never saw this one. Take a look at some of these wigs. I'm telling y'all, I'm protective styling all summer. I want something like this. I know my hair is already curly. Y'all probably like, be quiet, your hair's already like this. But I want my hair to be a little bit more kinkier, if that makes sense. I just like the fro look. I don't know, y'all. Look at all these wigs in here. There's too many wigs to choose from. I want something extra spicy. And how y'all think I would look with red hair? All right, y'all. So I'm back home from the beauty supply store. Sandy B's in the building. Y'all see her. Right now, she's going to blow dry my hair with my new blow dryer, the Laifen. We're going to see what this is all about. Been hearing great reviews. So we're going to see if this blow dries my hair like it says it's supposed to, because your girl got a whole lot of hair. I think the last time you did my hair, Mom was like, oh. Like,
no, I blow dried it for you last year.
I really like when she does it because she don't know how to detangle my hair like this anymore. She's
I'm a professional.
No.
Stop talking. I got things to do. You is tender-headed.
I am tender-headed.
And everything hurt you. Everything.
My mom used to do when I was a kid. Comment down below if your mom used to do this, your grandma, auntie. She used to hit me. Bop. Right on my knuckles. Every time
I hit the scalp.
Every time I would move my head, she would do that. I feel so good.
I always massage my people's hair.
God. Inches for me. Blow dry it all the way.
If I blow it more, right, it'll be all the way up.
Welcome back. It is the next day. As you guys saw in the previous clip, your girl is all dolled up. Okay, we got the hair done. Love the way my stylist does my hair. She never disappoints. And believe it or not, this style literally only takes her like 3.5 hours because she braids hella fast. So I'm really happy that I got my hair done because that's one less thing that I have to worry about. I'm just hoping that I can keep it in for at least a month. Because y'all know my track record with styles is pretty pitiful. But comment down below how long you think I'm going to keep these braids in. I actually put color on the end this time instead of just having it black. It looks really, really cute. The fit of the day. Got the little two-piece on. I know I've been rocking these workout sets. She was so comfortable too. It's giving body. It's giving booty. My little Ugg slides on, nothing crazy. For today, I'm not really gonna do a lot. I was supposed to go get my massage, but my masseuse bailed on me, and that's definitely my fault because I kept changing times with her. Now I gotta find a plan B, but what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go and get a pedicure because my paint is starting to chip on my toes. It's officially sandal season, so my toes need to be A1, okay? I'm not gonna be walking around with my toes not done. And while I'm there, I'm gonna get like a 15-minute massage because I need it. I'm supposed to be out of the house already. It's already 11:37. I was supposed to be going by 10 o'clock because it's supposed to be 100 degrees today in New York. And baby, if I'm not in nobody's pool, you will not catch me outside till that sun goes down. Before I get back home, I'm gonna go to the grocery store because since I'm gonna be in the house, I want to cook something nice, and I've been having a taste for stuffed shells. I used to make stuffed shells all the time. I'm gonna definitely pick that up, and we're just gonna lounge in the crib. We're not gonna do too much. We're gonna keep it light today. I wanted to take the kids to the pool, but the pools don't open up here until like Memorial Day. Maybe we'll have like a water fight with them or something. I actually have water balloons somewhere, and they have a whole bunch of water guns, so.
Yeah, we not getting bucket and ready to fight. Cause I'm on white man, cause I'm on white man,
Action nigga up on me, screaming motherfuck the beat. That tab, I'ma make that shit right back. Why you mad? Why you mad?
get better every time. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you're mine still.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
That was well deserved. Why is my blinkers on? Shout outs to Tina for getting your girl right. She took her time with my toes. She gave your girl an extra massage, and she went in on these shoulders. I gave her a nice little tip. So now I'm starving. Being that I'm right by the pizzeria, I'm probably gonna just get what I always get. Maybe a chicken marsala slice. That was my go-to when I was pregnant with Juju. Literally, chicken marsala and a honey ham, Swiss cheese, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, and mayonnaise on a roll. Ask me now if I eat that shit. Guys, so I'm back at the crib. It is super hot outside. My edges start curling up. That's when you know it's hot. I just ran and Stop and Shop real quick because it was too hectic and I was not trying to have nobody's camera out. I got everything that I needed for my stuffed shells, but I forgot the damn spinach. That's the main ingredient. I need my vegetables, but we're still gonna finesse it. I just picked up a few things. Ice pops for the kids. Raspberry ginger ale is my staple. If you have not tried it, I don't know what you're doing. I got some Texas toast, garlic bread, my favorite Farm Rich mozzarella sticks. Oh my God. I love these so much. Nice little snacky snack. I got some bagels, some french fries. Tomorrow I'll probably make some chili cheese fries. And that's pretty much it. I think that's it. Right now I'm just gonna chill. I definitely need to put my air conditioner in the kitchen. I have air conditioners going in every room but the kitchen. Mind you, the kitchen is the hottest freaking room in the house right now. So I'm gonna chill, sit under the AC for a little bit because I'm hot. Like, and when it's hot, I get irritated and I get tired. So I'm probably not gonna show you guys me cooking. I'll show you the final look when it's done or whatever, but I'm about to take a nap.